New designer to me, a new style that I've never reviewed, and a new take on a traditional design. So I am very excited to get into this unboxing today. This is a company that spoke to me for a few reasons. The first is that they are handmade and they are American made, doing their thing out of Georgia. Sorry, I have to talk slow. You know, I'm always terrified that I'm going to cut myself unboxing one of these. And not only do they hand make their products, but they give back 10% of their profits to charities. And so I love the idea of bags that you can feel good about buying, not just because you understand where it's coming from, but that also you have the comfort of knowing that your purchase helps give back. And so that was something that really stood out to me. And then also their design, because I have not seen one of these bags with the optional upgrades. So anyways, let's get into it. So, nice simple packaging, really well packaged on the outside. Sometimes you get bags and you know you're a little uncomfortable, the box has been dinged, whatever. Not the case here. So the boxing is super secure and it was very well taped. Simple packaging on the interior. But let's get into it. So, this is a military style duffel. And I am so excited because I have not done one of these before. And this bag, let me just show you the optional upgrades that I just had them put on. So the first is the zipper. And then one of the things with the military style duffel is access, right? So Nathan over at Go Forth Goods has solved that problem with the optional zipper upgrade. And I feel like once you have one of these bags, right, because it has the potential to be heavy and weighty, so it'd be nice if you could wear it as a backpack. So I got the additional upgrade, which is the second strap, so that you could definitely wear it as a backpack. And I don't know, I just think I looked at a couple of duffels, and in my full review I'll give you my reasons why I ended up going with Go Forth. But I am very, very happy with the construction, and my first impressions are, first of all, the smell is amazing. The color is really, really nice. It's got rich sort of depth to it. Lots of character. The smell, pardon me while I go in there, it's really nice. Unlined suede on the interior. I don't want to give away too much because this is just unboxing, but first impressions, A+. This is Go Forth Goods out of Georgia. Their tagline is faithful down to the last stitch, making a difference and giving back. And I think they're nailing it on all those points. So stay tuned for the full review. Thanks so much for watching.